Money affirmations. There are no limits to what I can and will achieve. I am worthy of the wealth I desire. I am financially free. I am grateful for the money I have. I am a money magnet. Wealth and abundance flow to me. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I am open to receiving money. I attract money easily and effortlessly. I am worthy of financial business. I am an excellent money manager. I spend money only on things I love. I am generous with my money. I am a great giver and an excellent receiver. Money is drawn to me. I deserve to make more money. Everything I touch turns into gold. I think about money positively. Money is openly flowing into my life. I release blocks and allow wealth to flow in. I attract money happily in my life. I always have enough money. Money is abundant to me. I attract money easily and effortlessly. I believe there is enough money for everyone. I am the master of my wealth. I am able to handle large sums of money. Money creates a positive impact on my life and life of others. I am at peace with having a lot of money. I can handle massive success with ease. I change the world with my money. Thank you for listening. You have a great day ahead.